Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sadia from scholarship.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about fully funded scholarship for international students for academic year 2022 to 2023. There has never been a better time than now to plan for your future if you have dreams to travel the world or experience different cultures without losing a lot of money. Getting a fully funded international scholarship can help you do that. Friends, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any new videos. Now, let's get started. Our first fully funded international scholarship opportunity is Yale University Scholarship, which will fulfill your dream of studying in USA. This scholarship is offered for undergraduate, masters, and PhD. Yale U scholarship can vary from few $100s to over $70,000 per year. To check for deadlines, eligibility criteria, and step-by-step application process, you can visit the link in the description box below. Next, I will talk about Chinese government scholarship. Chinese government scholarship are available for masters and PhD programs at more than 280 Chinese universities. Chinese government scholarship covers accommodation, basic health insurance, and monthly allowance up to 3,500 yuan. There are no strict eligibility criteria, only some age restrictions and good grades. Further, follow the link if you are interested in studying in China for free. Our next fully funded international scholarship is the famous DART Scholarship. It's a great opportunity to study master's and PhD level degrees in Germany. The scholarship covers monthly payment of 850 euros for graduate and 1200 euros for doctoral candidates for the duration of 1 to 3 years, depending upon the course in which you are applying. All you need is English proficiency certificate, appropriate degree, 2 years professional experience, and a strong motivational letter. For deadlines and application process, please check the link in the description box. Next is MEXT Scholarship. MEXT Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship. This scholarship is available for undergraduate, master's, PhD, and training studies. This scholarship will cover tuition fee, accommodation, monthly living allowance, and round airfare travel expenses from your country to Japan. All type of courses offered in all Japanese universities from social sciences to engineering, medical to health, art, and humanity. There are no academic field restrictions. Deadlines. Deadlines varies from embassy to embassy for MEXT Scholarship. Please follow the link of MEXT Scholarship on our official website scholarship.com for more details. Fulbright Scholarship. The United States of America has been providing Fulbright Scholarship to thousands of foreign students in 155 countries to pursue their studies in United States universities and academic institutes since 1946. These scholarships are only offered for master's and PhD studies. This scholarship covers full tuition fee, a living stipend, full accommodation fee, airfare, and health insurance. Deadlines for Fulbright scholarship varies from country to country, but mainly they are from Feb to October. Friends, next opportunity is ETH Zurich Excellence Master Scholarship, which is a fully funded scholarship for international students to study in Switzerland. This scholarship is only offered for master studies. The scholarship provides a grant covering living and study expenses as well as a tuition fee waiver. Next is Tan University Graduate Scholarship. These scholarships are only offered for master's and doctoral studies. As an international student at Tan University, you will have access to a variety of graduate and research scholarships to help you pursue excellence in your academic and research. Scholarships are awarded on the basis of academic excellence and research potential. The scholarship covers full tuition fee and full accommodation fee. Friends, next scholarship will help you in your doctoral research studies in Australia. Monash University Scholarship offers fully funded scholarship for international students that will cover annual living allowance, relocation allowance, and research allowance per annum. For further details, please follow the link in the description box. Next is Netherlands Government Scholarship. These scholarships are only offered for masters and short courses. The Orange Knowledge Program under Netherlands Government Scholarship offers free cost of living, tuition fee, visa fee, round-trip travel tickets, and health insurance. This scholarship covers various institutes in Netherlands to study master's degree. You can click here for deadlines and step-by-step application process. Next scholarship is to study in University of Cambridge. Gates Cambridge Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for international students. This scholarship is offered for master's and PhD studies. The scholarship covers around £17,000 stipend per annum, health insurance, academic development funding up to £2,000, and family allowance up to £10,000. Next scholarship is a Stanford University Scholarship. The scholarship is offered for master's and PhD studies. The perk of this scholarship is tuition fee, traveling allowance, living allowance, and academic expenses. Friends, this is a great opportunity to study in USA. Please follow the link in the description box for more details and step-by-step application process. Next scholarship is for undergraduate studies. Cass University Undergraduate Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship. The scholarship will cover full tuition fee, a monthly allowance up to 800,000 South Korean currency, one economy round trip, Korean language training fee, and medical insurance. If you are interested in the scholarship, please follow the link in the description box. Next scholarship is offered by UK government, which is a Chevening Scholarship. It is also fully funded for international students. This scholarship is only offered for master's studies in any subject. Chevening Scholarship covers university tuition fee, a monthly living allowance, an economy class return airfare to the UK, additional grant and allowances to cover initial expenditure. Please follow our official website scholarshipraw.com to know about deadlines and step-by-step application process for Chevening scholarships. Next is Simons University Scholarship. This scholarship is offered for undergraduate studies, and this will also fulfill your dream to study in UK. The scholarship covers full tuition fee, mandatory fee, and room and board. Next, we will talk about Mohammed bin Zayed University Scholarship, which is also fully funded scholarship for international students. This scholarship is offered for master's and doctoral studies. The scholarship covers 100% tuition fee, monthly stipend, accommodation, and many more benefits. Friends, you can follow the link in the description box if you are interested in this scholarship. That's all. Hope this video will help you to shape your future plans. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos related to scholarships, and also visit our website scholarshipraw.com to know about latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you, friends.